In this video, we are going to see the structure of art and also the working of art. So, let us see the structure of art. It is a conical and muscular organ, and it is the size of the fist, and it has four chambers, the two upper chamber and the two lower chamber. Coming to two upper chamber, it is of right atrium and left atrium, and the two lower chambers are right ventricle and left ventricle. And this right side and left side are separated by the partition, which is a muscular one, and it is called as septum. And this right atrium and right ventricle is separated by a valve called tricuspid valve. And this left side, this left atrium and left ventricle are separated by a valve called a bicuspid valve, or it is otherwise known as a mitral valve. And now let us see about the working of heart. The main function of the heart is a pumping of blood. So let us start with this area, that is the deoxygenated blood from various part of the body. It is taken inside the right atrium through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, and now the blood is present in the right atrium. So this deoxygenated blood is taken to the right ventricle by the contraction of the right atrium through this tricuspid valve, and now the deoxygenated blood enter the right ventricle, and this again during the contraction process of the right ventricle, the blood is pumped from the right ventricle to the lungs through the artery called pulmonary artery, and this is the only artery which carry the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. So in the lungs, the blood is purified as we breathe in the air. Then now the blood get oxygenated. So this oxygenated blood is taken back to the left atrium through the vein called pulmonary vein. And now the oxygenated blood will be present in the left atrium. So from the left atrium, it is given back to the left ventricle by the contraction of left atrium through a valve called a bicuspid valve. Now the oxygenated blood will be present in the left ventricle, and on contraction of left ventricles, the oxygenated blood through the aorta, it is taken to the rest of the body. Okay, so this is a simple flow chart showing the working of heart. So from the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, it is given to the right atrium, and through the tricuspid valve, it is given to the right ventricle by the contraction of this right ventricle through the pulmonary valve called as pulmonary artery. It is given to the lungs, and where it is purified, and is the purified blood, that is the oxygenated blood, is given to the left atrium, and then to the left ventricle through the aorta it is given to the rest of the body. Thank you.